So these are some standard errors in Excel. So this error, so division by 0 or blank cell. See, this error occurs when I divide any number by 0 or blank cell. See, for example, I have divided by 100 by E1. E1 is a blank cell. E1 is a blank cell, so that is why this error is, it is showing me this error, it's giving me this error. And when I divide any number by 100, any number by 0, so even this also results in this error. Hash value exclamation. So hash div slash 0 exclamation hash value exclamation. So when this error occurs, adding number to text. When I add number to text, for example, like this. See, instead of numbers, I have given a text. Sum of text. So this text, when I try to give such things, it is giving me an error. And text and I'm adding text and number. In this case also I'll get this error, adding number to text. So adding number to text, I'll get this error. Hash ref exclamation. Hash ref exclamation. Invalid cell reference deleted. Invalid cell reference deleted. So invalid cell reference deleted. So I'll get this error, invalid cell reference deleted, this error. See, like this, F1 plus, see, I'm giving F1 plus G1. So G1 I'll give some value 12. Now I will delete G1. So see, this formula is reference uh, for the cell G1. When I delete G1, this becomes invalid cell reference. You can see now it has become invalid cell reference. The reference G1 is now become invalid. Hash name question mark. Misspelled function or missing codes. Misspelled function or missing code. See, the function name is sum, but I've given it as SUME. So in this case, this has become an invalid reference, and in this case, if a1 is equal to s comma 1 comma 0, if a1 is equal to s, see missing code. There is a missing code for s, so that is why it is giving me an error. Misspelled function or missing code. So here a1 has a missing code, that is why yes as a missing code, that's why I'm getting this error. So hash na n slash a lookup value not found. So in VLOOKUP function, I'm trying to search Apple, but Apple is not found. In these cases, I will get this error, hash n slash a lookup value is not found. Invalid number, hash num exclamation, invalid number, example, square root of minus 1. Since square root of minus 1 is not present, so in such cases, so it says invalid number, square root of minus 1 hash num exclamation, or see exp of 1000. See exponents of large numbers. If I give exponent of 1, it will give me a result. But if I give large numbers, then it will show me hash num exclamation, which will show that it is invalid. So hash null exclamation, invalid range syntax, space used. So sum of f1 space f2, f1 space f2. So here colon had to be used, but there is I have used a space, so that is why it is giving me invalid range syntax error. Invalid range syntax error. See hash spill exclamation, hash formula can't formula result can't spill due to obstruction. Formula result can't spill due to obstruction. So this is equal to sequence of 5. So in such cases it will give me hash spill exclamation sequence of 5. Hash calc exclamation. So calculation error, you may misuse lambda. Misuse lambda. Hash calc exclamation. Calculation error, example lambda, misuse lambda. Misuse lambda. So this type of error occurs when the lambda is not properly used. Lambda or array functions. And this type of error occurs in lambda and array functions. See, these are the example formula you can see here. Division by 0, t is equal to 100 divided by 0. This is adding number to text. See, double quote plus hello plus 5. See, add a plus a1 plus b1 and then delete b1. So these are some examples. Misspelled function or missing code. SUME. SUME misspelled function or missing code. These are example formula. Lookup value apple not found. Apple is not found. Invalid number, square root of -1, invalid number, invalid range. See, there is a space instead of colon, so it's an invalid range. The sequence of 5, cell blocked cells below. So formula can't spell due to obstruction and calculation error, misuse lambda function. So this is how we can, these are the errors in Excel. See how to catch errors. See for example, I divide A by B and it is an error. In this case, to catch the error, you just mention if error and in parenthesis A1 divided by B1 comma, then this error message will appear, error division by 0. Error division by 0. You can see if there is any error, it will display this error division by 0. So these are the common error types in Excel.